Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see behind me, it's finally snowing here in Canada. We had about 2 or 3 weeks of just rain and really gross weather, and finally we're getting some beautiful snow, and it's probably one of my favorite times to photograph during the year is during a heavy snowfall. So I've come to this park 5 times this winter so far, trying to find the Eastern Screech-Owls that I found last year, and I haven't had any success. I filmed 4 intros and I had to scrap every single one because I came up a little bit short every single time I came out. And then today I said, you know what, let me leave my vlogging stuff at home, because you know when you leave your camera at home, you usually always find something good to photograph or film. So I had that same logic. I was like, let me leave my vlogging stuff at home. I'll just go out with my camera. And obviously today is the day that I find an Eastern Screech-Owl. So hopefully this doesn't sound or look too bad. I'm filming it just straight off my phone. I've been at this park for about 6 hours today, and I looked at well over 50 cavities and finally found one. There was one where I thought I had one, but it was actually just a little squirrel head popping out. So the Eastern Screech-Owl is about a 2-minute walk that way, and I wanted to come over here because I didn't want to disturb it by talking, but I wanted to film this little intro for you guys so you know what's happening. So I have him right, oh, chickadee. So I have the owl right behind me. I'm gonna grab some photos. All I wanted to say is get out there, even if the weather's not too great, and hopefully find some great species. Good luck, guys, and I hope you enjoy these photos and videos.